Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Hux World, bring you the news that matters. And yes, today this news, it matters. All right, you all, we just got a teaser from Samsung about the Galaxy Note 9's battery. Now, although they don't say that this is about the Galaxy Note 9, we can already gather that this teaser is about the Galaxy Note 9. Now, for the information we've gathered thus far, we already know that Samsung is about to put a 4,000 milliamp hour battery in the Galaxy Note 9. Now, that's a huge jump from the 3,300 milliamp hour battery that we have on the Galaxy Note 8. So this here is going to be a super beast. Now, the teaser shows everyday life situations, right? Which is something that we all go through in one form or another. Now, they tease somebody getting a text and all of a sudden a pop-up shows up, 5% battery life, right? And then it goes to show somebody dimming the screen, somebody else swiping notifications, then they show somebody else tuning down Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, which is something that I've never done, and that's probably why I don't get great battery life out of the smartphone I have. But then it shows somebody going to get a cable to charge their smartphone. At the end of the video, it says battery can't keep up. So it's asking a question, right? Kind of teasing for the grand finale for what we're gonna get on August 9th. And then it ends it all with saying a lot can change in a day. So it's got me super stoked, super excited about this battery life, especially with the Qualcomm chip that's going to be in this smartphone. Now, the Galaxy Note 8 with the 3,300 milliamp hour battery is already a beast. You can get through a day and a half based off your usage easily. Some people 2 days, right? But we're getting 4,000. How many days is that going to bring us? I'm looking to hear Samsung say you're going to get 3 solid days out of this battery life. Oh, I'm going to jump for joy if that happens. All right, you all, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of this teaser and if you're going to buy the Galaxy Note 9. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.